Sorry, Ola Morinho. Una welcome.
Thank you, Kubala,
my guy.
Thank you, my boy. Kubala, wait first. Never vomit all those your mumu questions. Sorry, you dey hear wetin dey sup for news?
The 2 eyes and the 2 ears wey don dey see for my face. You think say na for fashion?
I say make I ask na. The thing surprise me oh. I swear I been no expect am.
Nobody fit expect that kind thing na. Especially as the boy still get plenty potential.
E no get any potential, Joe.
Green Goblin no get potential.
Who dey talk about Greenwood? I dey talk about my guy wey dey here, Lampard.
So, I no get potential.
Oh boy, that Everton job big pass your destiny.
You say wetin?
You wan achieve relegation with them?
Just because your career dey crash like Bitcoin, no mean say my career go dey like your own.
Na your papa career dey crash like Bitcoin, idiot.
Momo man, na me wan provoke this early morning. Ole, wetin do your former boy na? Why you go dey do anyhow?
Resemble him, Pepe. The only thing why you about that Ben say, in potential big well, and you know they like pass bell.
But as the boy don't go do anyhow, him and Mendy go dey play Manchester derby match for inside cell now.
But at least in potential still big pass this guy own.
Your father! Jealousy kill you there! Kubala, do your thing, Joe. Leave this Momo people.
Okay, sir. AFCON don't reach semi-finals, and some of the countries we wanna predict to carry the trophy still remain. Oga Ole, since they don't comot Nigeria, and the people wey comot them don't comot, which country they tip now to carry them? Senegal.
Finally, person don't follow me get sense.
You think say you get sense? Now usually people wey think say them get sense, no get am.
Your father.
Oga Lampard, what of you?
Since Egypt don't comot my main guys, still comot Morocco wey stubborn well. Now them I go support now. Wetin dey funny?
It be like say he don't smell a finger somewhere. Lampard, you mess.
Yeah, papa. So my mates don't turn to laughing gas now.
No be laughing gas, sir. Now just say Cameroon go beat Egypt.
You see am? I talk am. You get something where this boy know where we no sabi.
Wetin be that?
You not see as in the laugh all of us? He know something.
Na lie yo. I don't know anything. I just dey support them.
You be Cameroonian?
No, sir.
Abubakar na your brother?
No, sir.
You give them money make them hoe for you?
No.
Why you can't dey support them?
I just like them, sir.
Get la here, Joe. Line no somba. You sabi something where we not sabi?
You know they accuse the smell bad, yeah? Yeah. Wetin make it a separate Egypt?
So that na my brother from another mother in another continent now. We dey related. Even this madman wey dey here, he dey support Senegal because them dey hold in car.
You say waiting?
That Momo man go bet in car.
Sorry, respect yourself oh. No they call me Mumu man.
But now only Momo people they do that kind thing.
Make Thor forget hammer on top your blockers, idiot. As you dey laugh, make you no forget to press that like button and share the video as e dey hot.
As wetting the hot.
I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go? You never tell the people wey never subscribe, say make them subscribe oh. If your waka finish, shebi you go come meet me for Stadio Olimpico. We go kill ourselves for there. Momo man.